Galaxy smartphone with powerful software and services to manage every facet of your connected life. A smartphone with a personalized intelligence of Bixby, which learns from you to simplify. Now you get things done. A smartphone that includes the new SmartThings app to provide a unified and easy way to control all your SmartThings devices. A smartphone that lets you share images and videos across your smart TV and Family Hub refrigerator. And a smartphone with Samsung Health to help you live a better, healthier life. For years, we have been one of the only companies to offer a built-in heart rate monitor. Now, we are adding an advanced optic sensor to track how hard your heart is working. And we are partnering with the University of California, San Francisco School of Medicine for the first research program to use this sensor to measure blood pressure. This is the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
We've created a design so sleek and unified, you can hardly tell where the screen ends. And as always, there's no notch. We've also refined the back of the phone, and it's as beautiful as the front. So take the fingerprint scanner, for example, which we all know is one of the most popular ways that we like to unlock our phones, which is why we didn't get rid of it. Instead, we listen carefully to your feedback, and we move the fingerprint scanner directly below the camera, where it's even easier to reach naturally. Thank you. And because we believe that in giving you more choice and convenience, we're also introducing Intelligent Scan. Intelligent Scan adapts to your needs, combining the key elements of iris scanning and face recognition to make it even easier for you to unlock your phone in more situations. And the feedback we collect from you extends to colors too. And thanks to your input, the Galaxy S9 comes in 4 stunning colors: midnight black, titanium gray, coral blue, and the all-new, one-of-a-kind lilac purple, which I have a hunch is going to be a crowd favorite.
Galaxy S9 has a dual aperture smartphone camera that's actually designed to work like the human eye. If it's bright outside, the camera will automatically use the smaller aperture. And when it gets dark, the camera switches over to a wider aperture. In fact, the widest ever included in a smartphone. So you can take bright, clear shots day and night. With dual aperture, we've used our industry-leading hardware to reimagine the camera down to its foundation. And we brought that same expertise to the image sensor. With the S9, we've integrated a DRAM memory chip directly into the camera as part of our new super speed dual pixel image sensor. That means the camera itself can process 4 times as much image data as before to minimize noise and create a noticeably clear image in low light. Combined with dual aperture, this means that you can take incredible shots, whether it's super bright or super dark. Video on the left is normal slow-mo. The one on the right is super slow-mo on the Galaxy S9 camera. Just look at that difference. And it's not just short clips. Using multi-take, you can record longer videos with up to 20 different slow-mo scenes. That means you can slow down the action at just the right moments. What's better than a cat video? That's right, a super slow-mo cat video. There you go.
This year, we're changing all of that with augmented reality. Now, you can use either your front or back camera to map your unique facial features and expressions and create emojis that actually look like you. It's amazing, right? John, do you mind coming back up here for a second to show everyone how it works?
So, all we do is open up the camera, go to AR emoji, create my emoji, and now use the front-facing camera to take a photo. It's actually as simple as taking a selfie. Just remove my glasses so it gets a clear view of my face. There we go. Now it's taking my image and creating my AR emoji. And there it is.
Nice.
All right, wait. It's a bit generous with the hair. But no worries. We can personalize that. So let's go over to this one. Okay, wait.
Definitely not.
I'm not completely bald.
No.
But how about this one?
Yeah, that's much better.
Okay, great. So now let's accessorize.
No, try the next ones.
That
Yeah,
one?
perfect.
Great. And lastly, wardrobe.
Not that one. Yeah, I think black t-shirt looks good.
Black t-shirt?
Yeah.
Perfect. Press OK. And now, personalizing my AR emoji.
See how it mirrors his actual facial expressions? You can even add voice messages to them. Plus, the S9 will generate 18 personalized emojis. Now, Bixby uses AR to show you search results in real time. Just hold up your camera and Bixby will automatically detect the language and translate it for you live. Let's check it out. So first, open up the camera, then I choose Bixby, then you select text search. I wonder what bacalao al horno could be. You hold it up, and Bixby will translate it for me live. Baked cod, sounds good.
Now, having an amazing display is really important to our users. But for a truly immersive viewing experience, the sound has to be amazing too. The S9 features speakers on both ends of the device. They're the loudest ever in a Galaxy phone. Loudest ever! Loud. Our home screen now supports horizontal orientation. So when you're switching between apps, you don't have to keep flipping your phone around.